Welcome back everyone. I'll go and show you exactly how to fix your Xbox One or Xbox Series X or S if it's stuck on a black screen. Now this is a very easy process. The first thing I'd recommend doing is to make sure that your specific Xbox is connected to a good power supply and it's connected properly to your TV or monitor. Now as long as those things are set up, then you can pretty much rest assured that your console may not be the issue and it may be your TV. You want to try your monitor, your TV to a different couple other outputs, and you want to verify that your TV doesn't have an issue. Now if you can verify your TV is not the issue and it's actually the Xbox, the first thing I want to check is to make sure that wire that's connected from your console to your TV or monitor is actually fully functional and it's actually working. So you may want to try it up to a different couple other devices. If your Xbox is turning on, but it's still not, supplying it to any, TV, whatever signal to your TV, then it may be that wire. So you may want to try a different wire. You may want to try your same Xbox to a different monitor and see if that works. If it works on a different monitor or wire, then it may mean that that specific wire or monitor that you were using may not be fully functional, and you may want to go ahead and actually check it out, try a different monitor and see if that works. Now if that doesn't work either, the next thing I'd recommend doing is to actually fully power off your console and check that power supply. If that power supply was not working, then you're going to have to get a new power supply or a new way to power up your console in order for that to actually work. There's been many times where people get a console and that power supply ends up burning out and you're going to have to get a new power supply in order to actually fix it. Now, if you can go ahead and turn your console back on, you can hear the fans ramping up and everything, but there's still no supply power. Well, the next thing you want to do is you may want to go ahead and actually power cycle your console. So what this means is you pretty much power off your console completely and you unplug everything from that device. So what this means is you pretty much just power everything off your console and you just let it sit there for a couple of minutes. Now after a couple of minutes, you want to come back to the console, plug everything back in, and you want to see if that works. If that works, then you are pretty much good to go. If that still doesn't work, then you may have to factory reset your console, or there may be some issues with your console itself. And at that point, I would probably recommend contacting Microsoft and having them take a look at your console, because they may be the ones who can actually fix it at that point. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.